Whoa, we got a new code in the Blue Log Rivals. Let's go ahead and literally click on continue. They still have to fix that. For some reason, they still have to fix the mouse because the mouse is disappearing. But to this video, we got all the new working codes in the Blue Log Rivals, guys. All the brand new working codes. And actually get yourself a bunch of lucky spins if you're level 10, I believe. If you're level 10, you'll be able to actually redeem codes. Sadly enough, I didn't reach that level yet. But in the next update, I will try to be level 10, okay? I actually just try to be level 10. And you can actually redeem the new codes right here in Blue Lock. Let me actually just make it more visible so everybody participating can actually see the codes and actually redeem them right away. If you do want a free slot in today's video, we're actually going to give away a free slot to you guys if you comment down below Kaiser. So you just gotta comment down below Kaiser. If you comment down below Kaiser like this, just like this, you can get yourself a free slot. So comment down below Kaiser, okay? Comment down below Kaiser and you'll be able to get yourself a slot. So yeah, I'll be just gifting you a slot for a style. 5 winners into this video. So let's go ahead and let's redeem all the codes. The first code is going to be Kitty Kaiser Vix. Okay, so the first code is Kaiser Fix. Okay, this is a post update code. So this code actually released past the update. It's a post update code. Make sure you guys actually watch to the end so you can actually get all the new working codes into this video as well as all the rewards. Let's see, what was the code? LUKY www code is 10, not the without the W's. Excuse me, that is the code. Lucky code 10. Redeem this code right now to get yourself a bunch of free lucky spins. The next code will be 1 million CCU. 1 million CCU. So we're getting 1 billion CCU. Redeem the code. This is the code, guys. Redeem it. Redeem the Miro code. Okay, the challenge impossible is to draw a straight line. Draw a circle. Nope, I can't. I have too much problems. Okay, redeem this code. The next code will be WW Kaiser. WW without the WW and then Kaiser M 2M. Redeem code Kaiser 2M. Boom. Comment down below Kaiser right now.